Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to check definition of updates in Windows 11. So that means which updates is required for something special, something like a security update or any basic software updates or any other changes. So how to understand that? It's very simple. Just open your start menu. Okay. Then go to settings. Then select Windows Update from the left side. Then you can get this update history. You can see here. Click on that. Then you will get these definition updates. So click on that. Then you can see here I installed three of updates, and there is update versions and also the update name KB 5007651. So that means it is for update for Windows security platforms, and second one also update for Windows security platforms, and third one is update for Microsoft Defender antivirus anti-malware platforms. So in this way you can easily identify which update for which one, and also you can uninstall the update from clicking here, then click the uninstall. So there is that kind of functions. You can see that, and also you can do some recovery from here, like you can reinstall the update or reset the PC, or you can restart your PC to advanced startup, like including starting from a disk or USB drive. You can see here. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.